Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to put images side by side here in Constant Contact. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and create a new section, maybe here, just for you to see. Now in the left panel, under Build tab, go ahead over to the Layout section. Okay. Scroll down, and here you can now go ahead and use a multi-column layout block. For example, this one, or even this one. Okay. Or even 3. You do have that option here. For example, we got to use a split article with border, this layout. Okay. If you do want a border, if you don't want a border, you got to use this option, which is 2 column or even split column. Okay. Now I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to drag and drop it like so. As you can see, we now have the option to put images side by side. If you want to, you can go ahead and delete the text block from here. Okay. If not, just leave it as is. Click on the image. Replace it from here at the top. Select your image. For example, this one. Hit on Insert. Wait for it to load. Click on the image uploader right here. Hit on Replace. Select a new photo. Insert. Adjust it or resize however you want, maybe like that, and you're done. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.